Hey everyone, welcome to another deep dive with us. This time we're going to be looking at a YouTube video from Money Moves Made Easy TV. It's called 30 Simple Frugal Living Habits. And we're going to go through all of them. And hopefully you'll be able to pick up a few things that you can use in your own life.
Yeah, and I think it's important to remember that frugal living isn't about being cheap. It's about making smart choices with your money.
Yeah, it's about being intentional, right?
Yeah.
So like the video starts off with one of the most common and probably the most effective frugal living habits, which is cooking at home. And it actually mentions that the average restaurant meal costs 5 times more than a home-cooked meal.
Wow, that's a big difference. I mean, if you think about it, you're not just paying for the food, you're paying for the service, the atmosphere, and the convenience.
Right. And you're also not in control
Yeah.
of the ingredients or the portion sizes. And speaking of being intentional, the video also talks about the importance of meal planning.
Yeah, meal planning is a game changer. It really helps you to avoid those impulse grocery buys.
Oh, yeah. I used to be terrible for that.
Yeah.
I'd go to the store without a list and end up with a cart full of stuff I didn't need. And then half of it would end up going bad.
Right, it's so easy to get tempted
Right.
by all the colorful packaging and special offers. But if you have a plan, you're less likely to stray from it.
Exactly. And the video suggests
Yeah.
actually making a list
Yeah.
based on your meal plan. So you know exactly what you need and how much of it.
That's a great tip. And while we're on the topic of planning, let's talk about bulk buying.
Ooh, bulk buying, yes. One of my favorite things.
It can be a great way to save money, but you have to be careful not to go overboard.
Oh, I've definitely been there. Remember that time I bought like a 10-pound bag of quinoa on sale?
Oh, yeah.
Quinoa for weeks.
I think the key is to focus on non-perishable items that you use regularly.
That makes sense. Things like rice and beans and canned goods.
Exactly. Things that won't go bad before you can use them up.
All right, so we've covered cooking at home,
Yep.
meal planning, and bulk buying. What's next?
Well, let's talk about takeout.
We'll take it.
I know it's tempting, especially after a long day,
It's so easy.
but it can really eat into your budget.
Yeah, especially if you're doing it like multiple times a week.
The video suggests thinking of takeout as a treat, something to enjoy on special occasions.
I like that. So you can still have it, but you're just being more mindful about it.
Exactly.
Okay, so another tip from the video that I really love is buying generic brands.
Oh, yeah. Generic brands. They're often just as good as the name brands, but
Yeah.
at a fraction of the cost.
I used to be really skeptical of generic brands,
Mhm.
but then I started trying them, and I was pleasantly surprised.
It's worth experimenting. You might find some hidden gems.
Definitely. And you know what else can save you money? Price comparison apps.
Oh, those are great. They can help you find the best deals on everything.
From groceries to electronics.
Exactly. And some of them even have price tracking features.
So you can see if the price drops on something you've been wanting.
That's so convenient.
All right, so we've been talking a lot about saving money on food and shopping. But what about saving money around the house?
Well, one thing you can do is make your own cleaning products.
DIY cleaning products.
Yeah, it's actually a lot easier than you might think.
And probably a lot cheaper than buying all those name brand cleaners.
Exactly. And it's better for the environment, too, because you're not using all those harsh chemicals.
Do you have a favorite DIY cleaner recipe?
Well, I like to use a mixture of vinegar and water with a few drops of essential oil. It's really effective.
No?
And it smells great.
I have to try that. So speaking of being eco-friendly
Yeah.
and saving money, the video also talks about using reusable alternatives
Yeah.
like cloth napkins and towels.
Yeah. Those are great. They might cost a bit more up front, but they'll save you money in the long run, and they're better for the planet.
Totally. And you know what else can save you money in the long run? Canceling unused subscriptions.
Oh, yes. Those can really add up,
Yeah?
especially if you're not using them.
It's so easy to sign up for a free trial and then forget to cancel it. And then you're suddenly paying for something you don't even use.
The video recommends setting a reminder to review your subscriptions regularly and cancel any that you're not using.
That's a good idea. Okay, so let's talk about one more tip before we take a break, and that is brewing your own coffee.
Oh, yes. The daily coffee shop run can really drain your bank account.
It's so tempting, though.
I know, but think of all the money you could save if you brewed your own coffee at home.
Yeah, I mean, those lattes and cappuccinos, they're delicious,
Uh,
but they're not cheap.
Not at all. You could invest in a good coffee maker and some quality beans and
Yeah.
still have a delicious cup of coffee for a fraction of the cost.
All right, so that's a lot of great information about saving money on food and drinks. Let's take a quick break, and we'll be right back. with more frugal living tips from Money Moves Made Easy TV. Welcome back, everybody. We're talking frugal living with tips from Money Moves Made Easy TV. And I think a big one for a lot of people is impulse shopping. You know, just seeing something and being like, oh, I need that.
Yeah, especially with online shopping. It's so easy to just click and buy.
Oh, totally. Like one-click ordering is dangerous. But the video actually has a great tip for this. It's called the 30-day rule.
A 30-day rule.
Yeah, basically, if you see something you want, you wait 30 days before you buy it.
It's a good idea. It gives you time to really think about it.
Exactly. And, you know, a lot of times, after 30 days, you realize you don't even want it anymore.
Right, or that you can find it cheaper somewhere else.
So it's a win-win.
Definitely. And speaking of being mindful about your purchases, the video also talks about minimalism.
Oh, yeah, minimalism. Minimalism is a great way to save money and simplify your life.
It's not about getting rid of everything. It's about being intentional about what you own.
Exactly. It's about surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy and getting rid of the things that don't.
Right. And when you have less stuff, you have less to clean, less to organize, and less to worry about.
Which frees up more time and money for the things that really matter.
Absolutely.
All right, so moving on to transportation. The video talks about the benefits of using public transportation or carpooling, especially with gas prices being so high.
Yeah, that makes sense. Driving can be really expensive
Yeah.
between gas, insurance, and maintenance.
Plus, it's better for the environment to use public transportation or carpool.
Definitely. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet.
Okay, so let's talk about gift giving, because that can be a real budget buster, especially around the holidays.
Yeah, it's easy to get caught up in the pressure to buy expensive gifts.
But the video has a great suggestion for saving money on gifts, DIY gifts.
DIY gifts.
Yeah, like homemade gifts.
Oh, that's a great idea. Homemade gifts are so much more personal and thoughtful.
I agree. The video mentions things like baked goods,
Huh.
homemade candles, and even just like a curated playlist.
Those are all great ideas. I think people really appreciate the time and effort that goes into making something yourself.
Totally. And it doesn't have to be complicated. It could be something as simple as like a handwritten card or a framed photo.
As long as it comes from the heart.
Exactly. Okay, so let's move on to energy saving habits, because this is something that we can all do to save money and help the environment.
Yeah, it's easy to forget about simple things, like turning off lights when you leave a room.
Unplugging devices when you're not using them.
Right, even those little things can add up over time.
The video also recommends switching to LED bulbs.
LED bulbs are great. They use less energy and they last longer.
So they're a good investment.
Definitely. And speaking of investments, why not invest in some herbs?
Herbs!
Yeah, you can easily grow your own herbs at home.
Oh, I've never thought about that.
It's a lot easier than you might think. And it's so much cheaper than buying fresh herbs at the grocery store.
Plus, you know, they're organic and pesticide-free.
Exactly. And speaking of things you can easily do at home, let's talk about bottled water.
Oh, bottled water.
It's such a waste of money, and it's bad for the environment.
Yeah, I mean, tap water is perfectly safe to drink in most places.
Exactly. So why not invest in a reusable water bottle and fill it up at home?
It's good for your wallet and good for the planet.
Exactly.
So we talked about errands earlier, but I think it's worth mentioning again, because with gas prices being what they are, it's really important to plan your errands strategically.
Yeah, you don't want to be driving all over town for one or two things.
Right. Try to combine all your errands into one trip.
Exactly. Make a list, plan your route, and get it all done in one go.
Okay, so speaking of resources, let's talk about the library.
The library.
Yeah, the library is a treasure trove of free resources.
Oh, yeah. I love the library. You can borrow books, movies, and even music.
And most libraries offer free Wi-Fi and computer access.
It's a great resource for everyone.
Definitely. Okay, so the video also talks about avoiding storage units.
Storage units.
Yeah, those places where you can rent a space to store your stuff.
Oh, yeah. Those can be expensive.
They are, and a lot of times people end up storing things that they don't even need.
Right. It's better to declutter and get rid of things than to pay to store them.
Totally. Okay, so let's move on to a cooking strategy that can save you time and money. Batch cooking.
Batch cooking.
Yeah, basically it's when you cook a large quantity of food at once.
Oh, I see.
And then you portion it out and freeze it for later.
So you have meals ready to go whenever you need them.
Exactly. It's a great way to save time and money.
Oh,
especially during the week.
I'll have to try that. And speaking of food, let's talk about snacks.
Snacks?
Yeah, those little things we eat between meals.
Oh, yeah, I love snacks.
Me too. But they can be expensive and unhealthy.
Especially if you're buying pre-packaged snacks.
Right. So the video suggests making your own snacks at home.
That's a good idea. You can control the ingredients.
Yeah.
And save money.
Exactly. Okay, so let's wrap up this part with a few more tips about mindful utility usage.
Mindful utility usage.
Yeah, basically it's about being aware of how much water and energy you're using.
And finding ways to reduce your consumption.
Exactly. So things like taking shorter showers.
Turning off lights when you leave a room.
And using a programmable thermostat.
Can all make a difference.
It might seem like small things, but they can really add up.
Especially over time.
All right, so that's it for this part. But don't worry, we have more frugal living tips coming up in part 3.
All right, we are back with more great tips for easy frugal living from Money Moves Made Easy TV. And so this next one I think is really important because it kind of brings all these tips together in a way. And that's budgeting apps.
Oh yeah, budgeting apps. Those can be really helpful for tracking your spending and seeing where your money is going.
Yeah, for sure. Like I used to be really bad at budgeting.
Yeah.
Because I just didn't know where to start. But once I started using a budgeting app, it made it so much easier to see my spending patterns and make adjustments.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are intimidated by budgeting, but these apps make it really simple.
Totally. Like the video mentions a couple apps, Monzo and Chip.
Yeah.
But there are so many out there.
Right. It's just about finding one that works for you.
Yeah.
And your lifestyle.
For sure. So another tip from the video that I wanted to circle back to is batch cooking. And they specifically mention freezing those prepped meals for later use.
Oh, yeah, that's a great idea. It's like having your own personal meal delivery service, but way cheaper and healthier.
Totally. Like I'm always so busy during the week that it's hard to find time to cook. So having those meals already prepped and in the freezer is a lifesaver.
Yeah, it takes a little bit of planning, but it's so worth it.
Definitely. So one more thing that we touched on earlier, but I think it's important to reiterate, is mindful utility usage.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one, especially with energy costs rising.
Right, like simple things, like taking shorter showers or turning off lights when you leave a room can make a big difference in your energy bill.
And for those of us who live in colder climates, using a programmable thermostat can really help to save money.
Yeah, definitely. So as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to ask you, what's one frugal living habit that you're going to try to implement in your own life?
That's a good question. I think I'm going to try to be more mindful about my grocery shopping. I tend to overbuy and then end up wasting food.
Yeah, I feel that. I think I'm going to try to make my own cleaning products. I've been wanting to do that for a while. And I think it'd be a good way to save money and be more eco-friendly.
That's a great idea. I think it's important to remember that frugal living is a journey. It's not about being perfect. It's about making small changes over time.
Yeah, exactly. And it's about finding what works for you and your lifestyle.
Right.
Well, this has been a great deep dive into frugal living. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.